Should I ask you a tricky question? Should I ask you a grammar question? Or should I ask you a sentence to correct?
ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ
I is plural.
I is plural?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Try to find out a mistake, if you can.
Uncorrect.
You need to subscribe his channel.
In this sentence also there is one mistake. Two of them are out. Your turn.
मेरे को पता ही नहीं वो क्या है, मैं कैसे आंसर दूंगा? I can just say that in my past I was working with some other company.
But it
now.
doesn't connect with present. One sentence which connects with past as well as present.
ਭਾਈ ਕਢਾਈ ਮਿਲਦੀ
हाँ जी कढ़ाई भाजी उत्ते सामने पई है. My name is Sagar. What's your name?
Manmeet Kaur. Sandhya Nahar.
What is the meaning of your name?
The meaning of my name is twilight or the time of dusk or dawn.
Nice.
The meaning of my name is meet to memory.
Nice. Have you made any nice memory in this college?
Yes, there are a lot of memory that we made with my friends. We had a lot of fun in this college because there are many functions.
Nice. The first thing I would like to tell you, you guys speak really good English. Okay, so now I'm going to give you an option. Should I ask you a tricky question? Should I ask you a grammar question? Or should I ask you a sentence to correct?
A sentence to correct.
Okay. So the sentence is, everyone have done some mistakes when they write big paragraphs.
When they write big paragraphs,
Few minutes later.
had done. Everyone.
You can't make guesses. You need to think wisely. Then after let me know the right answer.
You don't have a lot of time.
Let me help you. There are two mistakes in this sentence.
I think in the place of have, it should be has.
Okay, there is one more mistake.
There is a no mistake.
Yes. And you corrected it, okay? And the second one, if you correct, then both of you can get the gifts. But if you only correct the second one also, then only you will get the gifts.
Everyone has right.
Quickly,
Some paragraph.
let me give you a hint.
Made.
Done is the wrong form here, or wrong word here. Do, did, done cannot be used here. Now think wisely.
Make. It's make.
Think before speaking your sentence. Speak the full sentence.
Everyone has made mistakes
When they write.
when they write paragraphs.
Very good. Congratulations. This is the right answer. Sorry, but you tried well. Okay, here are your gifts. Congratulations. Here is yours. Please.
Please subscribe to this channel.
Thank you so much, guys. You didn't say.
Please subscribe to this channel.
Thank you. You played already. Okay, ji. My name is Sagar. What's your name?
My name is Ramandeep Kaur.
Ramandeep. What's the meaning of your name?
My name meaning is I am very attractive. Like
Attractive person. Okay. So, do you think as the meaning of your name is attractive, and this happens in your real life also, people attract towards you?
yes, because of my behavior.
Nice. Okay. So, what are the good traits in you? 5 good traits.
That I am friendly. I am very kind. I am a talkative, and I am good listener.
Nice. One more.
Uh,
Do you lie?
no.
You are straightforward.
Yeah.
Okay, ji. So, should I give you a sentence to correct? Grammar question or a tricky question?
Whatever you like.
Okay, ji. So, you just need to tell me a grammar question's answer. So, the question is, when we use has with the subject?
In past. Sorry, is in present.
When?
But
There are in present 2 options, has and have.
Yeah.
Why should we use has?
has in singular and have in plural.
Sure?
Yeah.
So, I have or I has?
I have.
So, you are saying with singular we use has?
I is plural.
I is plural?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yes.
I.
I is singular, but we use plural verb in I. Like I am.
What you said with when we use has, we use a singular subject.
Yes.
Okay. But I is a plural subject.
Yeah.
You are saying it. But I am singular.
Like I said I have this, I have that.
So with I we cannot use has.
Yeah.
So has कब यूज करते हैं? आपने कहा सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ हैज यूज करेंगे, तो आई के साथ तो हम हैज यूज कर ही नहीं रहे. आपका आंसर गलत हो गया. Thank you so much for participating. Okay, here is your Maggie. My name is Sagar. What's your name?
My name is Diksha.
What is the meaning of your name?
It means happy soul.
Happy soul. So do you think you are a happy soul or do you get sad?
Somewhere
Okay, ji. What kind of things makes you sad?
like loneliness or studies, like pressure of studies or
Okay.
not fulfilling your what you want to achieve.
Okay, ji. So I spoke a sentence. What kind of things makes you sad? In this sentence, there is a mistake. Could you tell me?
Can you repeat the sentence? I didn't hear it.
What kind of things makes you sad? Try to find out a mistake if you can.
Thing makes you sad.
Think. You guys brought her here. You guys have already played, right? I'm giving you a hint just because your friends have brought you here. There is a mistake with S.
S. What kind of things make you sad?
Congratulations, this is the right answer.
Thank you. Please subscribe to their channel.
मेरा नाम सागर है जी. हाँ जी. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਨਾਮ ਕੀ ਹੈ?
ਜੁਝਾਰ ਸਿੰਘ
Naman.
ਗੌਰਵ
ਧਨਰਾਜ.
ਦੇਵ
Vishu.
ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਨਾਮ ਬੜਾ ਯੂਨੀਕ ਹੈ. ਕੀ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਮ ਦਾ?
ਨਾਮ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਦੱਸ।
ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਘਰਦਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਰੱਖਿਆ
ਨਾਮ ਦਾ ਕਦੇ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ? ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਾਮ ਦਾ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ? ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸਰ.
ਨਮਨ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਨਮਸਕਾਰ।
ਓਕੇ ਜੀ.
ਧਨਰਾਜ ਪੈਸੇ ਵਾਲਾ ਬੰਦਾ।
ਪੈਸੇ ਵਾਲਾ ਬੰਦਾ। ਤੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਬਿਲੀਵ ਕਰਦੇ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਪੈਸੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਖਰਚਦੇ ਵੀ ਨੇ? ਨਹੀਂ,
ਸਾਡੇ ਹਾਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ
ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਮ ਦਾ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਕੀ ਹੈ?
ਕਾਸਟ ਹੈ ਕੋਈ
ਹਾਂਜੀ,
ਕਾਸਟ ਹੈ ਕੋਈ
ਕਾਸਟ ਹੈ ਕੋਈ? ਕਿਹੜੀ ਕਾਸਟ ਹੈ?
ਆਈ ਡੋਨਟ ਨੋ
ਓਕੇ ਜੀ, ਚਲੋ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ 'ਚ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੁੱਛ
ਸ਼ਨੀ ਦੇਵੀ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ।
ਇਹ ਗ੍ਰਹਿ ਆ ਸਾਡਾ
ਓਕੇ ਜੀ,
ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਦਾ ਸ਼ਨੀ ਦੇਵ ਆ
ਓਕੇ ਜੀ। ਤੇ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਆਈ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਲਾਈਫ 'ਚ?
ਹਰ ਵਾਰੀ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਆ
ਹਰ ਵਾਰੀ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਆ।
ਟੱਲੀ ਆ ਮਸੀ
ਓਕੇ, ਚਲੋ ਜੀ, ਹੁਣ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਦੋ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ।
ਦੋ
ਇੱਕ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਨਸਰ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਇੱਕ ਹੈ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਨਸਰ ਦੇ
ਇਹ
ਸਕਦੇ
ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ
ਹੋ। ਜੇ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਇੱਕ ਹੀ ਗਿਫਟ ਮਿਲੂਗਾ, ਮੈਗੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲੂਗੀ, ਬੋਟਲ ਇੱਕ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲੂਗੀ। ਬਟ ਜੇ ਇਕੱਲੇ ਇਕੱਲੇ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਫਿਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀ ਸਹੀ ਆਨਸਰ ਦਊਗਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੱਖਰਾ ਵੱਖਰਾ। ਚਲੋ ਜੀ, ਓਕੇ, ਪਰ ਹੁਣ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਚਲੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਟ੍ਰਿਕੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੁੱਛ ਲਵਾਂ, ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਗ੍ਰਾਮਰ ਦਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੁੱਛ ਲਵਾਂ, ਜਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਪੁੱਛ ਲਵਾਂ ਜੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਠੀਕ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ।
ਟ੍ਰਿਕੀ ਪੁੱਛ ਲਓ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹ ਸੌਖਾ ਗ੍ਰਾਮਰ ਤਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ
ਟ੍ਰਿਕੀ ਪੁੱਛ ਲਵਾਂ? ਪੱਕਾ? ਚਲੋ ਹੁਣ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੁਣਿਓ। ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਆਨਸਰ ਪਤਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਉਹ ਰੇਸ ਕਰਦੇ, ਜਿੰਨੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਹੀ ਆਨਸਰ ਦੇ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਉਹ ਜਿੱਤ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਗਲਤ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਉਹ ਆਊਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ। ਰਾਈਟ? ਓਕੇ ਜੀ, तो मेरा क्वेश्चन है, what appears once in a year, twice in a week, but never on a day?
ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ
ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਸੀ।
ਦੇਖਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ 10 ਫਿਰ ਕੀ ਆ
ਸੋਚਣ ਦੋ।
ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਭਾਈ ਆਜੋ ਯਾਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਦਾ ਹੀ ਆ
ਰਿਪੀਟ ਕਰਿਓ
ਭਾਈ ਉਹ ਬੰਦਾ ਸਾਡਾ
ये मैं लास्ट वाली पूछूंगा।
ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਰਿਪੀਟ ਹੋਣ ਦੋ।
What appears once in a year, twice in a week, but never on a day?
ਸਾਲ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਆਉਂਦਾ, ਹਫਤੇ 'ਚ 2 ਵਾਰ ਆਉਂਦਾ।
ਤੇ ਨੈਵਰ ਇਨ ਅ ਡੇ।
Day च कदे भी नहीं आंदा।
ਡੇ ਚ ਕਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ।
5 4 3
ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਸੇ ਚੜੇ।
2 1। ਚਲੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਿਤਿਨ ਦੇ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਹੋ, ਇੱਕ ਹਿੰਟ ਦੇ ਦੇਣਾ, ਇੱਕ ਲੈਟਰ ਹੈ ABC ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਲੈਟਰ ਹੈ। So guys, you are not participating.
ਨਹੀਂ
Okay, thank you so much guys.
ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ।
Thank you so much.
ਮੈਗੀ
Okay ਜੀ, thank you so much guys. Thank you so much.
ਭਾਈ ਕਢਾਈ ਮਿਲੂਗੀ
ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਕੜਾਈ ਭਾਜੀ ਉੱਤੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਪਈ ਹੈ। ਚਲੋ ਅਨੀਸ਼ ਨਾਮ ਦਾ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ?
ਕभी सर्च नहीं किया।
ਕਦੇ ਸਰਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ। ਓਕੇ ਜੀ, ਸੋ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਅਨੀਸ਼, ਆਰ ਯੂ ਕੰਫਰਟੇਬਲ ਵਿਦ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼? ਓਕੇ, ਸੋ ਅਨੀਸ਼, ਸ਼ੁਡ ਆਈ ਆਸਕ ਯੂ ਗ੍ਰਾਮਰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਔਰ ਅ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਟੂ ਕਰੈਕਟ?
सेंटेंस टू करेक्ट।
ਚਲੋ ਬਹੁਤ ਈਜ਼ੀ ਪੁੱਛਣ ਲੱਗਾ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ।
ओके,
I should have to subscribe this channel.
so what should I do?
Tell me it is wrong or right.
Can you
I
repeat?
should have to subscribe this channel.
Sir, you are incorrect. You're wrong.
Incorrect है।
Yes.
ठीक है जी, तो ये की गलती है इन्हें ठीक कर दो।
Should I subscribe to your?
हाँ, दोबारा बोलो।
Sir, can you repeat your?
I should have to subscribe this channel.
Should I have to subscribe this channel?
That's a wrong sentence, brother.
No problem, man.
But here is your Maggie.
Subscribe the Next Step channel. They give free Maggie.
Thank you so much.
losers.
Okay. Thank you so much. What is your name?
My name is Ritik Kumar Tiwari.
रीति कुमार जी, इंग्लिश में क्वेश्चन पूछूं ग्रामर का या सेंटेंस ठीक करोगे? ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन पूछ लूं?
सेंटेंस ठीक करेंगे.
सेंटेंस ही करोगे. I should had to help you.
I had to help you.
I
Had to help you.
Congratulations, this is the right answer. Here is your Maggie. Thank you so much, sir. Can you tell my viewers to subscribe to this channel?
Please subscribe your channel.
Thank you so much.
My name is Renuka.
What do you do here?
So I'm a training and placement officer here.
Okay, that's very nice. Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, so I am giving you options. Should I ask you a tricky question? Should I ask you a grammar question? Or should I ask you a sentence to correct?
Sentence to correct that.
Okay, so I will speak a sentence. Listen to me carefully.
Okay.
I did not subscribe my channel.
That's very smart of you, huh? You're talking about a channel. So do I have to correct the
You
sentence?
can tell me
right?
if you think it is
So
right.
you said that
I did not subscribe my channel.
So basically when we use did, so we don't need to use ed at the last. So you can
Very-
say I didn't subscribe my channel.
Okay, I'm giving you one hint. You corrected it so well, but there is one more mistake. The mistake is with TO2. There is one place
I
where you
didn't
need
subscribe my. You didn't. Okay, I didn't subscribe my channel. That's it.
2 is needed in your sentence.
So you.
One
you
more
said
2.
What? You said what?
I did not subscribe my channel. You corrected one thing, subscribe. One more mistake is there. You need to add TO2 in this sentence.
Okay, so I have to add T in this. sentence.
TO2. Now you need to think where should you place TO2.
So I can add it in anywhere, right?
You need to add it at the right place. Because that is still wrong in your sentence.
I didn't subscribe my channel.
Yeah, where should be 2?
I didn't. You can use it. Didn't subscribe my channel. Why would
Didn't
there be two?
subscribe. We need to. Otherwise it is wrong.
You need to subscribe my channel then. You can use that sentence. You need
Thank-
to subscribe his channel then.
In this sentence also there is one mistake. Still we need to.
Okay.
I told you to subscribe to my channel. I am speaking the right answer. Think what did I say? I spoke the right answer just before few seconds.
I didn't hear that.
You had to just get it.
So you have
When
to
you
subscribe
came-
their channel.
When you came, we told you to subscribe to the channel. So now I asked you.
Subscribe to the channel, guys.
Yes, that's the right answer. Congratulations, ma'am. We will again call you. Okay, we are going to choose a final winner where we will give headphones as well. Please tell my viewers to subscribe to this channel.
Guys, subscribe his channel and yeah, you have to subscribe.
Thank you so
That's what
much.
you say, right? Okay. Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Same here. Okay, guys. So मैं एक सेंटेंस बोलूँगा, आपने उस सेंटेंस को ठीक करना है. आपके पास 2 ऑप्शंस हैं. जैसे आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ डिस्कस करना चाहते हो तो आप डिस्कस भी कर सकते हो. बट अगर आप जिस फ्रेंड के साथ डिस्कस कर रहे हो, आप और उस फ्रेंड को सिर्फ एक ही गिफ्ट मिलेगा. अगर आप बिना डिस्कशन के करते हो तो आपको इंडिविजुअल गिफ्ट मिलेंगे. इज इट क्लियर? बट आप सभी को मैगी 101% मिलेगी. क्लियर? ओके जी. जिसे भी पता होगा वो अपना हैंड रेस करेगा. राइट? तो मैं एक सेंटेंस बोलने वाला हूँ, आपने इसे ठीक करना है. ये सेंटेंस है, एवरीबडी डू सम मिस्टेक्स इन हिज लाइफ. फर्स्ट ही रेज हैंड.
Everybody do mistake in their life.
ओके.
Same. Everybody do mistakes in their life.
Okay guys, 2 of them are out. Your turn. They spoke, everyone do mistakes in their life. And this is wrong. Now you need to try. Everyone do some mistakes in his life. They said their mistakes.
Everybody do some mistakes in their life.
You are also out. Quickly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. जिन्होंने हिस्सा देर करा था वो तो ठीक है. अब जिसने पहले आंसर दे दिया वो जीत जाएगा. सेंटेंस में डू नहीं आएगा. अब आप सोचो सेंटेंस क्या हो सकता है. सेंटेंस में डू नहीं आएगा.
Sentence repeat करना.
Everyone do some mistakes in their life. इसमें do नहीं आएगा.
Everybody does some mistakes in their life.
You are wrong. Do, does, did, done कुछ नहीं आएगा. इसके अलावा कोई और वर्ब आएगी. चलो मैं चाहता हूँ आप में से एक जीत जाए. वो वर्ब शुरू होती है M से.
Must. Everybody makes some mistakes in their life.
Congratulations, this is the right answer.
Subscribe to this channel.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. My name is Sagar. What is your name?
My name is Mark. Hello guys.
Okay.
Hello everyone.
What is the meaning of your name?
My meaning of my name, it basically means a diamond, or you can say also part of Shivji.
Oh, nice.
That's what
That's
it means,
good.
yeah.
Tell me
Okay.
any 5 modal verbs.
Model verb. Can you switch the question? I don't know.
Just because of him, I'm doing it.
Okay.
Which
Some-
form
ask
of
something else.
which form of verb
हाँ.
can we use with modal verbs?
मेरे को पता ही नहीं वो क्या है, मैं कैसे आंसर दूंगा? कोई और कुछ पूछ लो.
Last है guys. Last.
Okay, last. That's it.
I am agreeing with you. Correct it.
Okay. I'm agreeing with you. You sent the. I have to correct it, na? I agree with you. It should be like that. It's not. I'm agreeing. You guys, please subscribe to this channel.
What's your name?
Karan.
Karan, what is the meaning of your name?
My name is derived from a Mahabharata character.
Oh, nice. Do you know anything about Karan from Mahabharata?
Yeah.
What do you know? Or what do you like about him?
I like the fact that he was selfless.
Huh?
Yeah, he used to think of others first rather than himself.
So, should I ask you a grammar question, a sentence to correct, or tricky question?
A grammar.
Grammar. Tell me, what structure can I use when I'm talking about my past experience? And that connects with my present also.
What structure can I use that talks about my?
Experience
Huh?
and that connects with my present
You
also.
need a proper.
Structure, or you made a sentence. A sentence or a structure in which I can talk about my past and present together, about my experience.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
How can I make, like, do you want me to frame a sentence on that?
Yeah.
That can be any sentence.
Which is about past and present about your experience.
So I can just say that in my past I was working with some other company.
But it
now.
doesn't connect with present. One sentence which connects with past as well as present.
No idea.
Should I answer?
Yeah.
It is present perfect. Like I have taught thousands of students.
तो वो तो मेरे, I was asking you, should I name that proper definition you want, or you want a sentence?
I wanted a sentence only.
Yeah, ask me a sentence again. No, ask me from a sentence. Don't ask me from the grammar point of view.
Okay, I will speak a sentence, correct it. I have worked for more than 10 years. Correct it.
I have worked for 10 years.
Correct it.
I have worked for more than 10 years.
Last chance.
That is your test.
That is my sentence. I have worked for more than 10 years.
I have worked for a decade.
That's the wrong answer.
What is the answer?
That's the wrong answer. It has to be present perfect continuous. Last chance.
I have been working for 10 years.
Congratulations. This is the right. Congratulations.